Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're doing a collab with me and my mother.
Hi everybody, I'm LouAnne from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we are going to make banana peanut butter chocolate chip cookie breakfast scones. Ready, Elias?
Yep.
Okay. First thing we need to do is we have 1/2 cup of almond milk, but they can use any kind of plant milk. It doesn't have to be almond milk. What I need you to do is put a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into the almond milk.
Okay. Whoops.
That's okay. Put it in. Now use a tablespoon and give it a little stir. Good enough. Now I'm going to take these, I'm going to set them aside for later. Yep, put the cap back on. Now grab your pan. We're going to mix.
Or the bowl.
Oh, bowl, yeah, okay. We're going to put all the dry ingredients in first. Let me hand them to you so I can say what they are. This is 1 1/4 cup of almond flour.
Here's the almond flour.
And here is 3/4 of a cup of oat flour. You know how oat flour is made?
Grinding oats.
Grinding oats in my blender. So oat flour in.
3/4 a cup of oat flour.
And then here is 1 cup. These are quick oats, but they can also use rolled oats.
1 cup of quick oats or rolled oats.
Wonderful. And then 1/4 of a cup of brown rice flour. You know how this was made?
Grinding brown rice.
Grinding brown rice. There you go.
1/4 cup of brown rice flour.
Okay, why don't you start sitting them inside of other ones because we're going to run out of room here. All right, then what we want is 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking powder.
2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder.
1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Okay, here's the 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Now, smell that ingredient.
Maple syrup sugar.
Maple sugar. You know how they make maple sugar?
Crystallizing maple syrup.
Exactly. So put that in,
How
please.
much is this?
That's 3 tablespoons. Thank you for asking.
3 tablespoons of maple syrup sugar.
Do you know what that is?
This is flaxseed.
Yep, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed.
Here's a 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed.
Bump that out a little. Good. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Here's a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
And 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Here's a 1/2 a teaspoon of salt.
Okay. Now take the whisk and mix it all up.
Mix it up with the whisk. Now here's our oven. Set it to 350 degrees.
Enter. Okay, now that you have the dry ingredients all mixed up, it's time to put the wet ingredients. So here's the almond milk that you already put the apple cider vinegar in. So you
Wait, how much apple cider vinegar was that?
That was 1 tablespoon.
And how much almond milk?
It was 1/2 of a cup.
Here's a 1/2 of a cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Don't drink this.
It wouldn't hurt you. I don't think it would taste very good, but it wouldn't hurt. Here's 3 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Here's 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Pour that
Now
in.
you might want to get your spatula and scrape out some.
Now, since Tuka likes blue, I'm using a blue spatula spoon thingy. It's a spatula and a spoon combined.
Okay, that looks good. Okay, 1/3 cup of unsalted peanut butter.
Use 1/3 of a cup of unsalted peanut butter.
Does it look good?
Yep.
Okay, put it down. And 1 1/4 cup of mashed banana. And don't use green banana. They need to have brown spots. You know why?
Why?
Because they help to sweeten the cookie. So the sweeter the banana, the more spotty it is.
Use 1 1/4 cup of mashed bananas. I know it looks gross, but they have to have brown spots. So it sweetens the cookie. Do not use green bananas ever.
Well, it's the brown spots on the skins. Now, stir that all up. You good? Now, for the ingredient you love, 3/4 to 1 cup of
chocolate chips.
chocolate chips.
Here's 3/4 to 1 cup of chocolate chips. The best ingredient.
Now you know if they don't like chocolate chips, that could be raisins or chopped walnuts or maybe a combination. So go ahead and give that a stir. You think they're mixed in well enough?
Yep.
Okay, let's move some of our stuff here. Just leave that. We're going to move the stuff that we're done with over here on this side. Now we have a sheet pan here. I need you to put some parchment paper over so they don't stick. I like to put the parchment paper over because then it stays a little bit better for you. Now I'll do the first one to show you how this works. Here we go. We're going to fill the 1/2 cup measure of the batter, or with the batter I guess I should say, and it doesn't have to be perfect. That's good. And we're going to plop it on the parchment. Trying as best we can to keep it in a roundish shape. Kind of like that. And we don't have to get too fussy. Okay? You want to do the next one?
Yep.
Put it right aside then when you're ready. That looks good. Oh, that came out pretty easy. Use your spatula. What you don't want to do is do that. Don't press it down. It will spread a little bit in the oven. All right? Let me try to make this one a little more circular. I'm just going to put that in there for now. That's the nice thing about using parchment paper. It's very forgiving.
Now you put it in the oven for 28 minutes.
The other way.
And be careful not to burn yourself.
Enter.
Now here's one of the cookies we had in the refrigerator. You can refrigerate the cookies and put them in the microwave for 30 seconds and then they'll be just as warm as if they were in the oven. I'm doing this video as a thank you gift for Zuka and her family. This video will make probably a new breakfast food for you. Thanks for Zuka's family for taking care of her. I'm wearing this eagle cap because I know she's interested in me becoming an Eagle Scout, and I became one, and I got this cool hat. And Zuka's channel is Gashagold101, link in the description. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.